Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the chemistry online class. How are you, children? Hope all are doing well. In the previous class, we were discussing about some methods of separation. We learned about hand picking, threshing, winnowing and sieving. Today, we are going to learn another method of separation, that is sedimentation, decantation and filtration method. Children, it may not be possible to separate the components of a mixture by using the methods like hand picking, winnowing, sieving, threshing, etc. For example, how can we separate sand and water from their mixture? For this, we use the method sedimentation, decantation and filtration. So, let us do an activity that how can we separate sand and water from their mixture. Take some muddy water in a beaker. It is a mixture of sand and water. Stir the mixture well and leave to settle for half an hour. The mud settles down at the bottom of the beaker by the process of sedimentation. Now transfer the water at the top of the settled mud by tilting the beaker to another empty clean beaker. The water thus obtained is called decantate and the process is called decantation. As the next step, pour the decantate through a tea strainer. This is called filtering. Children, is it possible to get the clean water after filtering the decantate with the tea strainer? No. The tea strainer is not able to filter the fine particle as you see the filtrate. It is not clear and contains mud. The water obtained is to be filtered with a fine cloth. Some mud is deposited on the cloth, but the water obtained after filtration still contains mud. A filter paper which can separate the fine particles of the mud from the water. A filter paper has smaller pores than cloth and hence can be used for this purpose. Place the filter paper in the funnel and pour the water obtained after filtration with cloth. Look at the filter paper after filtration. You can see that fine particles of mud are deposited on the filter paper and the filtrate obtained is pure. That means filtrate obtained is free from impurities. From this activity, we learned that when the heavier component in a mixture settles, the process is called sedimentation. The process of removal of water above the sediment is called decantation. Separation of fine impurities from the decantate using a filter paper is known as filtration. The use of filter paper is better choice for effective filtration as it has small pores. So children, using sedimentation and decantation method, we can also use to separate two liquids that do not mix with each other, that is immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids means liquids that do not mix with each other. For example, oil and water from their mixture. So, let us do an activity that how can we separate oil and water from their mixture using the method sedimentation and decantation. The process of sedimentation and decantation can also be used for separating a mixture of two liquids that do not mix with each other. For example, oil and water from their mixture can be separated by this process. If a mixture of such liquids is allowed to stand for some time, they form two separate layers. The component that forms the top layer can be separated by decantation. So children, today we learned about sedimentation, decantation and filtration method. This method is used to separate solid and liquid from their mixture as well as two liquids from their mixture. So in general, we can say that sedimentation is a process in which heavier insoluble particles settle down at the bottom. The solid particles settled at the bottom are called sediments. Decantation is a process of pouring out the clear water slowly into another container without disturbing the sediments. Filtration is the process by which two fine insoluble substances are separated by using filter paper. Particles retained on the surface of filter are called residue. So that's all for today's class. Hope all of you understood this topic. As usual, I have attached a URL, test question and notes. Copy the notes and study well. Attend the test question without fail. See you in the next class. Thank you children.